Let us come back, class. As I said, the bench is mandatory for all experiment. So today's practical is insertion and isolation loss of a isolator. So here, after waveguide, we have connected one isolator in forward direction and we are measuring the power. Now as I skip the video part, you could not see it, but we have connected it isolator without turning off the supply was kept on. I'll show you how I have done it in the next part, and I am measuring what is the received power on this detector side. What is the received power on detector side? Now look at this. We have already seen the received power was between minus 34.5 dB. Now look at this power. The power available on this screen is nearly 35. Here is 30 and here is 5, means nearly 35. Minus 35 dB power we received when we connect one isolator in forward direction in between. Now you just keep your eye on the VSWR. Now as I said, I'll show you the next setting part. Now what is our job? Now the difference between the initial power and this power will give us the insertion loss. In order to find out the isolation loss, we have to connect the isolator in reverse direction. So how I have done, I am showing it you now. While doing it, do not turn off the supply. Let the settings be as it is. Now as you must have observed, the touching of this waveguide do not harm us because the power is flowing is in terms of waves. Now we have to connect isolator in reverse direction. So it should be like this. Now see class, we have to, as I told you, we have to find out, measure the power. Just focus. I have connected isolator in opposite direction. Just focus on the received power. Now once we could see that power received, what is the value of power received? Once it is touch 10, means the value is 30 plus 10 and even lesser than 10. So we have to keep it on the 40 scale. So still it is touching the 10, means my received power is neither in the minus 40 scale. So I have to move to the 50 scale, and there I could see the power is showing some scale. And what is that scale? Again you read out that value. It is between 4 and 5. I could see. Now see, I am observing it from the side. You are supposed to see from the straight what is the value. The value is nearly at the 5. So here it is 50 and 5, so it is minus 55 dB. Now you may question that in one time we are receiving power, the input power set is minus 34.5. Then we connect isolator, then power becomes minus 35, and after connecting isolator in opposite direction, the power is minus 55 dB. So the last power is higher, but class keep in mind this power is reverse means is negative. So minus 55 dB is much lesser as compared to minus 34 dB. So here we have observed that when we connect isolator in reverse direction, the received power is minimum, that is minus 55 dB. When we connect it in forward direction, the received power was minus 34.5 as compared to minus 34 was set. So there was slight loss into the transmission. So in that way we could find out the insertion and isolation loss of the isolator. It is how we could complete this practical.